Hello, welcome back. For this one, I would like to share you how you can get the iOS charging sound on your iOS 14. For this one, it doesn't require a jailbreak, so you just need shortcuts. You must have iOS 14 on your device. But first, we need to download the iOS charging sound. You can simply go to Safari here. And after that, you can go to this link. For this one, you can find the link in my video description. And after that, you can scroll down. I'm gonna download the MP3 for the Android because it has the .mp3 extension. So I need this one. So you can simply download this one, and then you can see iOS charging sound.mp3. Hit on download, and then it's gonna download into your file apps. So you can click on the search icon here. It will copy to file apps, and it stay in download. And after you have download iOS charging sound, now we can simply go back to Safari here. And after we go to Safari, we need to go back into this one. You need to download AudioBase 64. I also include this link in my video description too. Now you can simply click on Get Shortcuts, and after that it will bring you to Shortcut here. And then you can scroll all the way down and allow Untrusted shortcut. So simply hit on that, but because I have already had it, it asks me to replace. I can simply hit on replace here. And if it doesn't allow you to add the shortcut, you can go back to settings. So I'm gonna go to setting here, and then you need to scroll all the way down, and you must find shortcuts and go to that, and then you can allow untrusted shortcut. Make sure this option is turned on. Sometimes if it is gray out, the button is gray out, you can just go to shortcut and run some of the shortcut. Then it will allow you to enable that button. Now I'm gonna go back to shortcut. After that, you can click on my shortcuts at the bottom. Then you're gonna find AudioBase 64. Then you need to click on the three dots on the top here. And after that, you can scroll down and you can hit on the place button. And after that, it will pop up into your file apps. So you're gonna find the iOS charging sound that you have just downloaded. Go to on my iPhone here. For me, it is in iCloud Drive. Then I can simply hit on download this one. This is the iOS charging sound that I have just downloaded. I can select on it. And after that, you can see a bunch of text here. So make sure you hit on the share button. Then you can copy this text. And then I'm gonna click on done. After that, you can go to automation. Click on this one. And I'm gonna delete this. And then we can click on create personal automation. And you can scroll all the way down, go to charger. You can select on is connected, hit on next. Then you need to add the action. For the first one, you can search for text. Then you can select this one, and then you can paste the text that you have just copied at the moment. I'm gonna paste this one. Then I'm gonna click plus, and then you can search for base. This one you need to find base 64 encoded, and then for encode you can select decode, and then you can hit on plus one more time. For this one you can search for play sound, and I have just select on play sound and hit on show more, and then make sure the sound file is base 64 encoded. And now it is finally done. I can click on next. And for as before running, this option must be disabled, and then I can hit on done. Now I'm gonna go to sound mode. Now when I charge my device, you can hear the iOS charging sound. It is very simple. And let's hear one more time. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.